I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing tools and applying controlled heat so the adhesive softens. Fill a bowl with hot tap water around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius and soak a towel until it's saturated. This retains heat longer than direct pouring. Once done, lay the towel over the sticker for 2 to 3 minutes to warm the adhesive. This reduces the risk of tearing and protects finishes. Make sure to test an inconspicuous area first so you know the surface tolerates heat. You now lift an edge and peel, taking care to keep the motion low and steady so the sticker separates with minimal residue. Slide a plastic card under the warmed corner and push it forward while you peel back the sticker toward the card. This leverage prevents tearing. Once you encounter resistance, reapply the hot towel for another minute to soften glue further, and swap to detergent and a soft cloth when small bits remain so you don't damage the surface. Finish by removing adhesive residue using mild detergent or a small amount of cooking oil if the glue is stubborn. Let it sit briefly, then wipe with a soft cloth. Once clean, dry and inspect the surface. Polish gently to restore gloss if needed. If the sticker tears and leaves small pieces, don't scrape aggressively. Reapply the hot towel, work from multiple edges, and use repeated gentle lifts. That approach prevents scratches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.